There are a total of 65 million SMEs in India, that is small and medium sized enterprises. Although every business needs digital marketing services, but if I consider only 10% potential businesses, that means there are 65 lakhs businesses that require digital marketing services. If I consider only one digital marketer for one business, then 65 lakh digital marketing professionals are needed to meet this demand. And talking about 2023, there are not even 1 million digital marketers in India. If I go further, there are not even 50,000 skilled digital marketers, which means there is a huge opportunity for digital marketing professionals. If I take a projection of 5 or 10 years ahead, even 10 years will be less to fulfill this demand. I'll explain this too in a while. So digital marketing can give you a stable career not only in 2023 but also for the coming 10 years. But can it really give a stable career, or is it a hoax? You'll be surprised to know that only 10% people who are into digital marketing will be able to make a good living through digital marketing. Almost 90% people will be working as an average digital marketer. If I tell you the truth, these 90% people will feel like a digital marketer, but they are not digital marketer. Let me explain to you the 4 levels of digital marketing. If you're working in 3rd and 4th level, you are a real digital marketer and you have a good career. But if you are in the 1st and 2nd level, you need to be serious to reach at least the 3rd level, or digital marketing is not for you. So first is intern. Generally, digital marketing starts with an internship. First, you have to take a digital marketing course from somewhere and then apply for an internship. Internship is of 3 to 6 months duration. If I talk about stipend, then you can get anywhere between 2,000 to 10,000. I have interviewed thousands of digital marketers and I found that many people are doing internship after internship because they are unable to get a permanent job in digital marketing. Are you the one? Next level is digital marketing executive. So this is the next level, and that is executive. You will be a social media executive if you are handling social media platforms. If you are in SEO, then SEO executive, and likewise. It's always recommended to work in one module of digital marketing in the initial phase of your digital marketing career. Digital marketing is huge. It's hard to specialize in every single field. After working for 2 to 3 years, you can be a senior executive. The average salary of an executive can range from 10,000 to 50,000, but that depends on many factors. One of the most important things to learn in this phase is analyzing every efforts made by you. What is working, what is not working, whether your efforts are giving any results like followers, engagement, traffic, brand building, leads, or sales. If you can't measure your work, it's difficult for you to break this barrier of executive. Next level is digital marketing manager, or an expert or a specialist. After having good experience of 4 to 5 years, you can reach the level of a manager or expert. A manager can lead a digital marketing team like social media, SEO, PPC, web analyst, and all. Or if you have expertise in one particular module, then you can work as an expert. If you can independently get a website ranked on Google, then SEO expert or a specialist. In the same way, if you can independently grow a business using social media, using organic or paid method, then social media expert or PPC expert. There are many other areas of specialization. A manager or a specialist has an idea what capabilities they have, how to grow a business and scale this business. So if you know your capabilities, then you can decide your own salary. But if you don't know, then at least 50,000 to 1 lakh, this is easily available according to the current market trend. And last is entrepreneurship. People do not talk about entrepreneurship in digital marketing. If you want the best career in digital marketing, then entrepreneurship is the one. You can start a digital marketing agency or provide freelancing services. Otherwise, there are many unconventional careers like becoming a blogger, affiliate marketer, a YouTuber, online seller, influencer, etc. Millions of people all over the world make a good living through these careers. Even I have made my fortune through blogging and affiliate marketing. You get both money and freedom from these unconventional careers. So becoming a successful digital entrepreneur is something every digital marketer wants at some point in their career. So you must have understood that if you want to make a lucrative career in digital marketing, then the 3rd or 4th category is better. But the biggest problem comes here is even after 5 years, people are not able to reach 3rd and 4th category. That means 90% of digital marketers are unable to jump outside the 2nd category. Because a digital marketing executive do not come out of his comfort zone of being a digital marketing executive. It's very difficult to break that barrier. People prefer being lazy because our brains are wired. There is a famous quote, human nature is above all things lazy. While working, he puts his creativity elsewhere. Most of his focus working on the instructions of the seniors, completing tasks, creating posts, increasing likes and followers, copying others' strategy is all this. They never try to understand that the ultimate goal of every business is to grow the revenue. You must have an idea what you can do to make the balance sheet of a company strong. If you are already watching till this point, it means you are not lazy and you have a desire to reach third and fourth level. But how can you reach that level? How can you become a digital marketer every business want to work with? I'll show you 6 important qualities of a perfect digital marketer. You must have at least few or all these qualities to be a pro digital marketer. So first quality is communication skills. The most important skill. If you can't communicate your thoughts, your ideas, then you need to work on improving your communication skills. There is no language barrier for communication, but English is very important in digital marketing because you work with global clients. If you can't communicate in English, there will always be something missing in your digital marketing career. Writing and speaking both are important. Second is specialization. First priority, become a master of at least one digital marketing skill. For example, if SEO interests you, your main focus should be SEO. Read SEO blogs, watch YouTube videos, build your website, and try to rank a few of the keywords. If you have an expertise in any one module, you can establish yourself as a valuable employee. Otherwise, you'll be like a master of none. Third is personal brand. People value you by your personal brand. How do you build your personal brand? You need to set up your accounts on social sites like LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Quora, and YouTube and share regular content on these platforms related to your skills. It will help you to make your presence on social media. You need to be helpful to your audience. You need to be genuine. You should be approachable. You need to engage with your audience. These tips will help you to be unique in your own niche. Trust me, your employer, your clients will pay you more than you deserve if you have a strong personal brand. Fourth is networking. There's a lot of power in networking. Social media is the perfect platform where you can grow your connections with like-minded people, with influencers, with powerful people. So these connections can create new opportunities for you. These connections can help you to learn strategies faster that might take months. Fifth is learn to interpret data. One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is that you can collect data for every effort you put into marketing. But one of the biggest challenges here is to interpret the data. You have to learn what data you have to collect, how to interpret it, how to check ROI, how to use the data to grow your business. Data tells every story. Six is stay updated. Digital marketing is constantly changing. There are millions of digital marketers in India, but if you want to be on the top and if you don't want to be a part of that crowd, then you always have to be updated. Daily news, new trends, algorithmic updates, you should know all this. And to stay updated, you can follow top digital marketers, influencers, and brands related to your field. Follow their blogs and YouTube channels, follow them on Twitter, Instagram, set up Google alerts, network with like-minded people and the people in your industry. All these tips will help you become a better digital marketer. A digital marketer with whom companies want to work, whom clients want to hire, a digital marketer who works on his own terms, and someone who has a better lifestyle. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with everyone who wants to become a better digital marketer.